10 Keys to a Successful Gold IRA Portfolio. Building a strong retirement plan takes smart decisions, and one option many investors consider is a Gold IRA. Understanding the keys to a successful Gold IRA portfolio can help you protect your wealth, manage risks, and grow your savings over time. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simple guide to get you started. 1. Diversify your investments. Don't put everything into one type of gold. Mix physical gold like coins or bars with other assets to reduce risk and improve stability. 2. Do your research. Before investing, learn about gold prices, market trends, and economic factors. Good research helps you make better decisions and avoid costly mistakes. 3. Balance your portfolio. A Gold IRA should be part of a larger investment plan. Combine gold with stocks, bonds, or other assets to create a balanced and stable portfolio. 4. Choose a reliable custodian. A trusted IRA custodian is essential. They handle storage, paperwork, and regulations, making sure your investment stays secure and compliant. 5. Watch market timing. While timing the market perfectly is difficult, paying attention to trends can help you buy or sell at better moments. 6. Manage risks carefully. Every investment has risks. Set limits, diversify, and avoid overinvesting in gold to keep your portfolio safe. 7. Focus on tax efficiency. Gold IRAs come with tax advantages. Understanding these benefits can help you save more money in the long run. 8. Keep learning. Markets change constantly. Stay updated with financial news and adjust your strategy when needed. 9. Be patient. Gold is a long-term investment. Don't panic during short-term price drops. Focus on steady growth over time. 10. Invest responsibly. Choose ethical and sustainable gold sources when possible. This adds value beyond just financial returns. Following these keys to a successful Gold IRA portfolio can help you build a more secure and balanced retirement plan. With the right strategy, patience, and knowledge, your Gold IRA can become a powerful tool for long-term financial success. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.